好了，大家好，欢迎来到黑岩神龙黑暗联盟，我是黑骑士，今天要带来的是孤胆车神。我们在破解任务，什么古德曼的应该是，而且我都不知道这边有港口，这边什么时候用港口的啦？我都不知道的啦。这边就港口。诶，屁呀
！Stop! I'll have the money soon. Stop!
You're behind on 2 months of thing.
Please, I got a family.
Should have thought of that before you gambled with money you didn't have. It's over.
蛋呢？等一下，什么时尚电脑给我出了？我拿这100还比较好。
Oh man, thanks.
I'm looking for a boat called Sunny Side Up.
Huh? That's my boat. What do? Oh man, you guys won't let up. Just take it.
绕跑哈。等一下要去解弗兰克的那个。是不是那有港口我耍我！这边就港口，那么小。
Done. Good. Hello? Frick.
大家看视频，看可不可以？啊哈哈哈！谁啊？用那么大，哦，响铃。结束了。
Yeah.
Permission to come aboard.
我搜一下，哦，真的，我那个都没想过了。 吼，我散弹枪也来那个了。
Honey, heard you exercised your sea legs today.
33、32、67、48。屁啦！我还拿这一把还比较强。
You know Racer Girl, right? She does a whole boat racing thing too. You gotta go see her and show off your maritime expertise.
Sure, sounds fun.
Happy boating, Skipper.
还要去接夫人啊！不让课了。呀，我的车那么远。等一下下，我要几颗钻哦，50颗了，血手那么快，耶！好难看，好难看，好难看！我这样也不要看，我不要再买一口了。那么贵啊？这什么啊？我还是当绑匪。这个不要说。啊，过头。抢劫！等下我绑匪了啊！
You ever heard of Dr. Paul Severn? Guy behind these public health initiatives, clean needles, condoms, and all that bullshit.
The guy who's all over the TV, endorsing your pal Reverend Goodman for mayor?
I got Goodman that endorsement, actually. A few weeks back, Severn and I met up at an auction and found ourselves in a bidding war over a state-of-the-art seaplane. And being the gentleman I am, I let him win.
So he got drunk off the thrill of the win, and you got to ask for his endorsement at just the right time.
On the money. Problem is, I really wanted that plane. So you're gonna get it for me.
You want me to steal a plane? That's not exactly something I can just slip into my coat pocket.
Slip it up your ass for all I care. Just go to the marina and do the job. Now!
没有诶，帮你解任务，我在那边草地。
Take him. I don't need him. I can take the bus, but wait, there's more. Sign up for extended warranty, so when your car gets dirty, I'll show up with a bucket and wash it myself. Don't like the idea of old man covered in suds? I'll send my daughters. All three of them. You'll love them. Their self-esteem's as low as our prices. So come on.
哦，老逼啊！ No， 我的机车。我的机车下爬，我的机车变成下爬变成马卡了，下爬变成马卡，闹了呢。黑道的车就要那样了，哎呦！黑道的摩托车就要像我那个摩托车一样。重型，他耍酷的摩托车就是重型的。浪铁武器，嘿嘿嘿。好了，个破玩具。
respectable man in Nevada doesn't need a seaplane. Damn it. Sorry, guys. Nothing stands between a man and his plane. Now for the fun part.
他钱不钱，还是管他。
It's Schneider and Krause's biggest show yet. Shark! Ich bin Schneider.
And I am Klaus. Join us as we make big dazzling with our newest.
Okay. Just like riding a bike. A really big bike. Wings.
The Shark Company is half shark, half cobra, half Wolverine. Don't danger. The trees will be palpable. The magic will be magical. It will change your life forever.
Don't miss the spectacle. Don't miss the danger. Don't miss Shark Rain. Tickets on sale now.
This is Ronnie Q of KWAT 104.2 reporting live at the latest protest happening in downtown Vegas. Sponsored by the Liberal Whitefield Foundation. Ronnie Q here, sending out delicious
好了，我们
vibes
今
from
天
the
到
KWAT studio.
这边，
If you
我
follow
们
my
下
vlogs,
次
you
再
know
见，
that I'm
拜拜。